interlock system ensures the correct sequence is followed during pig launching or receiving operation. Each step consists of a start key, which allows the operator to access the piece of equipment being operated, and a finish key, which is released at the end of each step. The previous step's finish key is then used as the start key in the following step. When launching or receiving pigs with Argus pig valves size 6-inch 900 ASME class and up, the overall sequence consists of the following. 1. Closing the pig valve to process flow. 2. Venting media from the valve body. 3. Draining any fluids from the valve body. 4. Opening the pressure alert valve. 5. Opening the entry cap. 6. Removing the pig restrictor. 7. Inserting or removing the pig. 8. Replacing the pig restrictor. 9. Closing the entry cap. 10. Closing the pressure alert valve. 11. Closing the drain and vent valves. 12. Opening the equalization valve. 13. Returning the pig valve to the open position. The detailed operation sequence is as follows. The operator is issued the white tagged pig valve key. This key is inserted into the gear operator interlock, releasing the hand wheel and allowing the pig valve to be closed to process flow. Once the pig valve is closed, the orange vent valve key can be removed from the gear operator interlock. The orange key is then inserted into the vent valve interlock, located at the rear of the entry cap adapter. The vent valve may now be opened, relieving pressure inside the pig valve body. The vent valve may be connected to additional piping to allow for appropriate and safe removal of line media from the worksite. Opening the vent valve allows the blue drain valve key to be removed. The blue key can be inserted into the drain valve interlock, located at the bottom of the pig valve body. The drain valve may now be opened, removing any standing fluid from inside the pig valve body. The drained fluids can be captured and disposed of as required by the operator. The black entry cap key can now be removed. The black key is used to operate the entry cap interlock. The entry cap hex lock can now be removed by rotating the pin section 90 degrees and lifting the hex off of the entry cap. Confirm all media is vented from the valve body by opening the pressure alert valve. The entry cap can now be opened as the valve body is vented of all media. With the entry cap out of the way, the pig restrictor is removed. The pig can now be inserted into the pig valve. The pig restrictor is replaced and the entry cap is threaded on by hand. The entry cap is tightened with the supplied wrench. Note the alignment of the arrows on the pig valve body and the entry cap, indicating that the entry cap has been tightened sufficiently. Next, the pressure alert valve is closed. The entry cap hex lock is replaced by aligning the flat slotted sections with the grooved opening on the top of the entry cap. The black entry cap key can now be removed and inserted back into the drain valve interlock. The drain valve is now free to be closed, which will release the blue drain valve key. The blue key is inserted into the vent valve interlock, allowing the vent valve to be closed, releasing the orange vent valve key. Before returning the orange vent valve key to the gearbox interlock, the equalization valve should be operated, reducing the required operating torque of the pig valve. The orange vent valve